Hello, this is Talon with old gun stuff on Busy Corner Lane, and we're going to be testing the cargo limits and carrying capacity of the wing. We're going to start at the supply depot just to the east of the Scorching Coliseum. Make a 2-engine flying machine of our choice. I choose the hoverboard or hovercraft. We're going to fly it to the supply depot directly north. You can see it from here. The reason for this is we need to have 4 fans, and I don't want to take any out of my inventory. The other reason is we can't start the wing where I started with this hoverboard because it would not have the range to reach our destination. So I put this cannot be done with less than 4 fans. That part is definitely true. 4 fans will struggle to keep altitude. 6 fans is best. 2 fans or 3 fans, and you'll be going down the whole time. We have 4 big wheels, 4 fans, 1 steering stick, the body of the plane, which is called the wing, I believe, and 3 carts. These parts are necessary for me to take to the Yiga camp, because when I add it to the cart and 2 big wheels that they have there, I can make a 6-wheeled ground assault vehicle that I like. If we're assuming that the XYZ numbers on the mini map are in meters, then the plane or the wing will start the flash at 875 meters. You'll have a total despawn at 1 kilometer. Some people say it's 30 seconds, but as you can tell, this flight is lasting much longer than 30 seconds. It's all about distance, it's not about time. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. This is Talon with old guy stuff on Busy Corner Lane. Have a safe, happy, peaceful, wonderful day, and goodbye.